Shown there are instructions from chief officer and other higher authorities there wherever these illegal gadas selling foods are being operated and over the ring road or some other places has to be all removed. So as per his instruction we are removing all the gadas.
Only on the ring road? Because
ring road actually the orders are from for all municipal area, but this was the stress.
Is it because they are obstructing the traffic?
Yeah, we are aware of it. The higher authorities taken the cognizance of it and we have started a drive. And this will be continued.
आज पासून कितने गाड्या आल्या?
आता 4 झाले.